All right.
What can he do?
Coming down to the checkers here.
Trying to make a charge.
Bunch of Crown Vics turning left.
Hard into the wall on turn 3.
Hard into the wall. Don't worry, we won't show it because who wants to see any of that?
Turn 3.
Still won't show it.
4 seconds.
Oh, there we go. Now other people spinning out after the fact.
4 seconds.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You think they found
Whew, holy shite. Yeah, is that Bigfoot or a Sam Squinch? Somehow we missed it all.
Caught that out of the corner of my eye.
I like how
So the rest of us.
Summit Racing Equipment van out on the racetrack. Let's hear a word from Summit Racing.
That dude's on his 3rd car.
Connor has
Just
entered
coming
your
in the top
neighborhood.
3 or 4, and then
Who the hell's Connor?
just be one after that.
I don't think I invited a Connor over.
Right now, just be a competitor and trying to get the W on the first.
Oh,
round.
Connor with the za.
Hours of LeMullets.
We'll let him in.
Just probably used up about half of those 7 spare Crown Victorians just sitting over there over the beautiful little 3/8 mile.
Saw, dude.
Sup, dude? That's pizza, dude.
Oh.
The owner of the Freedom Factory, Cleetus MAC Farland.
Cleetus MAC Farland.
Looks like to me they have brought the front end loader, maybe to make sure all the concrete barriers and everything.
Sticky in that car, but
Is that his second or third
being in a
time
race
car?
car and being able to do what they love.
That's one way of getting the car off the racetrack right there. He was waving the caution
Get all right.
and the checkered flag. So this 45-minute segment has come to a close.
All right, we're getting a driver change now. No driver change. So we had such a mess. We're fixing up a couple cars, giving us some time to clean up a big mess on turn 1 and 2. We're doing driver change right now. Drivers, head out to your drivers. All right, Chris,
Drivers, head out to your drivers.
Oh, green flag.
Got contact already.
Go back racing here this time, Nick.
They're pushing each other right now.
What the hell are these guys
What
doing?
in the world is going on here?
Coming to the green.
Is back out. Field not very organized right now. Waves the green flag. That 78 car kept tempo on the outside.
Throwing it down there.
But Whistling Diesel in that 01 car, remember, they're still trying
Oh, there's
to
a bunch of
make
smoking.
up lap. They are
Looks
still
like turn
1
3,
lap down.
turn 2.
So he's trying to get up there and drive off leaders, get back on the lead lap. Get back on the lead lap, he can make some noise.
Make some noise.
A lot of smoke.
Make some noise. Oh, there's a little contact there.
50 car coming out of
Damn,
turn 4.
dude. Chelsea is
Chelsea's
just
going
going
Lot of
ham
smoke.
right
There
now.
is.
Yeah, he is.
Tires just smoking coming out of that turn.
Chelsea's just got my idea. Use all the nitrous, get to the front right away.
Yep, it's a good idea. We don't know who even won. Who knows? What do you think, John?
Chelsea unlapped himself twice and still was
So it looks
somehow
like
not
to
on the
me
lead lap.
that
So I'm
they have
confused.
chosen
I'm very
the 2
confused.
El Caminos. I see
But-
them parked there. That would
Whatever.
make sense if you've got two
Conspiracy theories.
drivers. Make a whole lot
No
of
different
sense
than the
to
election
choose
2020.
2 cars versus
LeMullets 2020. Who knows who won? Who really won?
We didn't
got
see,
the,
I haven't seen it
It's all in your hearts, folks.
time, by the way.